He starts with a page, a bad grade, a small number trying to explain a whole person. But in real life outside, when circuits break, he finds the fault. When the village pump stops, he listens, tests, adjusts, and the water comes back. People come to Noor because he sees patterns before they have words for the problem. Still, when he shows the page at home, the proof of who he is missing. Then Echo asks a better question. Not, what grade did you get? But, what did you do? A note becomes evidence. A recording becomes a skill signal. A repair becomes part of a map. Even offline, Echo keeps the thread. When connection returns, home brain remembers the whole journey. Then practice multiplies. One version repairs, one explains, one sketches. Every lesson flows back to the real Noor and returns to class with proof. And this time, everyone can see it.